Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about globalization. In very simple words, we can say that globalization means the integration of nations' economy with world's economy. Or we can say globalization means making trade easier. In my previous video, I have discussed the different steps taken by the government under new economic policy, which were liberalization and privatization. So let's start with globalization, which is also a step that was taken by the government at that time. So as I have said, globalization means making trade easier. So after globalization, or you can say now, different countries can invest in our country or can start their business in our country, because the government has removed the barriers such as licensing policy, and government has also reduced the custom duties. So custom duty is a tax which is charged on import of goods. So government has reduced that charges. And why government did so? So to encourage the flow of foreign goods and capital, government has reduced the custom duties and abolished license. As it is written here, that globalization is a process of movement and exchange of goods, services, capital and technology. So it is a process where different countries or nation, exchange their goods and services, capitals, technology and ideas with one another. Or you can say that it is a process of integration or interaction among people, companies and government of different nations. Means the government of different nations take decisions together on matters of trade or exchange of goods. The companies work together. The companies of different nations work together under globalization. And globalization is said to be the outcome of policies of liberalization and privatization. Why it is said so? Because under liberalization, government has taken steps for the abolition of licensing policy. Government has removed the licensing policy and under privatization, government has taken steps like denationalization and dereservation and disinvestment. So these steps has promoted globalization, or you can say has increased the foreign investment and exchange of goods and services in our nation. So this is all about globalization. In my next video, I will discuss about the impact of all these steps, which are liberalization, privatization and globalization on our economy. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt and suggestions, please comment below in comment box. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.